Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily relationship message, Gemini. If you want a more detailed love reading, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will come right after this daily relationship message, Gemini. So, the card for your message is that chaos and conflict. So, with this card, guys, for your relationship, the message is stubbornness is keeping you in a state of opposition. The incessant need to be right will only serve to prolong the conflict that deep down you want to be resolved. This is an opportune moment to learn about your values, your sense of self, what is really important to you. Some things are non negotiable. If that's true, it's not necessary to fight. Can you find a way through the stormy emotions to higher ground? Soon the air will clear and you will be in a much better place than before. For the storm will have passed, blazing a path for new growth in its wake. Things can become electric and enlightened, always better than before, if you use this time constructively. So, that is the message, guys. That is a relationship message for you all with this card. If you like this message, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. If you want a more detailed love reading, please stay tuned for that pick a card love reading, Gemini, that will come right after this reading. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, this is your first deck and this is your second deck. I'll be picking three cards from each deck, guys. So, whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it and choose the pile that comes to you first as you open your eyes. So, I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. So, let's start with this deck, guys. So, I will take this card, keep it aside. So, I'll be picking three cards for those who have chosen this deck. For your relationship, guys, let's see what are the cards. So, this is the first card, this is the second card, and this is your third card. So, let's see what are the cards here, guys. Six of fire, two of earth, and page of fire. So, with these cards, guys, it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe in this connection, you are trying to adapt yourself to the new changes. Maybe for some of you, you are um, with this person, you know this person only for a short time now. You are with the new person and you are working towards that understanding with them. So, you are trying to build that relationship, trying to adapt, being really flexible with this person. uh, that way you are working towards a better understanding with them, guys. And I also see that with this person you feel adventurous, because everything is you in this connection, the way they speak and the way they connect to you. You have a beautiful bond with this person and you feel that uh, in this relationship with this person you share that um, great understanding and you are trying to build that positive meaningful relationship. So for those who have chosen this deck, guys, I see with these cards this may be a new relationship that you are in, and this person is influencing you with their love, with their charm, with their looks. So you are greatly attracted to them and you feel really romantic that intense love with this person. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let us see what is coming with the other set of cards, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So let's see what is coming up with the other deck now, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, let's see what are the cards. So again, we'll be picking few cards from this deck. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So for those who have chosen this deck, whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, and I will turn these cards now. Master of Moons, Neophyte of Moons in reverse, and Star in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this person and this connection. With this connection, you are uh, not having that clear vision about your future. You don't know how this connection will go, guys. Maybe for some of you, you do not see your future with them. You feel it is a waste of your time and energy. Maybe you don't share that deep understanding or love, or that mutual respect and caring is not there, missing in this connection. And sometimes this may not be the right time to make some important decisions. So if you are planning to take some important decisions now, whether you want to be in this connection or whether you want to move away from this person, this may not be the time. You have to wait for the right time, guys. So if you wait, maybe you will know the truth, the truth in this person. So sometimes if you are able to be patient, hold on to your stance and be there with them, they may come out with that truth. They may be get honest with you, tell you what they truly feel, and you will know what you need to do then. So you need not um rush towards some decisions today, guys. And maybe they are there in this connection with you just to have fun. They are not serious about this love. They just want to spend some time with you, have fun with you, and that is what they are looking forward to in this connection, not that true meaningful bond. So if you just hold on to your state today, not initiate anything, initiate any important decisions, they are going to come out with the truth anytime soon, guys. So it will prevent that heartache for you. If they come out with the truth, they are just confirming what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. So you need to wait. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.